In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to fix Tinder account not deleting. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what I'm going to do firstly is to close my Tinder app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app. So open up the settings app on your phone, and then we're going to scroll down and click on general in here, as you can see. So click on general, then scroll down, and for me it says iPhone storage, as you can see, but for you it might just say storage or anything else that is connected to your storage. So just click on it, and then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. Bear in mind that this page right here might take a couple of seconds to load, just so you know. And then I'm just going to scroll down in here. Let's see if I can find the Tinder app in here, so just a second. And perfectly, as you can see, my Tinder app is in here. So now click on upload app right here. Once again, click on upload app. And what will happen then is that you will now actually we're going to click on the blue button in here. What will happen basically is that you will now get the latest version of Tinder after you have done exactly this step by step, and it will fix all the bugs that were currently in the last version, and it's going to help us to delete our account as well. And I'm going to show you exactly how it's going to help us basically. But what will happen now is that I'm just going to close this window right here. Let's see if I can find the Tinder app. Just a second. I'm going to search for it right here. As you can see, it's basically re-updating right here. I'm just going to move it right here, and perfect. As you can see, my Tinder app has now been updated, so I'm just going to click on it once again. I should now be taken here, as you can see, and now what you're going to do is to click on your profile in the bottom right corner, as you can see. So click on the profile symbol. Now we're going to click on the settings wheel in the top right corner in here. So click on the settings wheel, and you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So on this page, then what you're going to do is to just simply scroll all the way down in here until you can see where it says delete account. So click on delete account. Now once again, click on delete account. And as you can see, you will get some reason. For example, I need a break. I'm going to click on delete my account here once again. And as you can see, account is deleted. So that is basically exactly how to fix can't delete account on Tinder.